pouring into the lake.
It won't really pick up the river on the...
Oh, it might be. Fucking hell, look at that shit. Fucking tidal wave going up there.
Oh, good grief.
Hopefully your car will get through it without getting stuck. Oh, fucking idiot. You fucking wanker. Oh, another one. Shit. Fuck, this is hairy stuff. Not something we expect. That's why I don't want to go into it. Fucking hell, this is hairy shit. We're not really used to this stuff. You know what it's like on the other side.
What, down the hill?
Yeah. Oh, it's fucking amazing, isn't it? Really? Hill. It's going to be bad news going down Hawaii Street and stuff like that.